Hey guys, me and the gang all here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Sephora Play unboxing for October 2018. First, let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $10 a month. You get 5 deluxe or sample-sized makeup, skincare, hair care products. Sometimes full size. And then you also get the 50 Beauty Insider points, which are now available to be used online, which is awesome because I do not have a Sephora near me. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I'm curious to see if they kept the bags the same, because before they did like those drawstring bags, and then just last month they went to like the plastic, like almost like a Ziploc bag kind of thing. And I saw some people loved it, some people hated it. So I'm curious to see what we got this month. Okay, so this month's theme is called Scary Good Beauty. Here's the card. Giant. And then on the back, it'll tell me everything that we are getting. If I don't know something is cruelty-free, as always, I will research it and then put it down below if you care about that. And then I also break down the value of the box and put that down below so we know whether I got a good deal or not. So, let's see. So it looks like they did go with the same bag as they had last month, which I honestly don't really care. I have so many Ipsy bags, like it's bananas how many I have, and I don't know what to do with them all. I get that some people want like a collectible bag, but I don't really need that. The only thing that's kind of bummed is where I live now, we can no longer recycle plastic like this. It's only like hard plastics. So that's a little bit of a bummer that I can't recycle this. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Mon Paris. It is a perfume sample. This is from YSL. I don't think YSL is cruelty free, so I'm not gonna use this. I'll probably just throw it into a giveaway or give it to a friend. No big deal. I think that's just the beauty bonus that we get every month. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Caudalie. It is a Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. I'm not gonna do anything with this either. Here's what it looks like. I'm not gonna sample this or smell it or anything. I know for a fact this brand is not cruelty free. I wasn't sure the last time, and then I found out it wasn't, so I'm not gonna do anything with that. But look, let me read what it tells you. It's supposed to visibly even skin tone. Using a dime-sized amount to cleanse skin morning and night. So a dime-sized amount in this little sample, this will go a long way. So that's cool. Okay, let's see what else I have. Okay, another item that is not cruelty-free that will be going into a giveaway. However, it might be full size. It's pretty decent sized if it's not. This is from Clinique. It is the Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black. So it's just a generic black eyeliner. I won't say generic, it is like felt tipped if I'm looking at this right. Moving right along, let's see what else we have. So this is from Tarte. Yay, something that's cruelty free. So this is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. It's like the teeniest, tiniest little sample, but it is kind of adorable. I'm not mad about it. Especially when I feel like you can make primer last a pretty long time. Let's see. I feel like this is the primer that I've heard good things about too. So it's, whoa, it feels super hydrating. It smells nice. It's almost like a liquid. Like it's not like a lotiony thing. Like it's super, like, look at my finger, it looks just wet, right? Can you see that? I'm definitely interested to try that out. Feels, oh, it's like the kind that leaves your skin feeling so soft. I feel like this has to be the one I've heard really good things about. Either way, I'm excited to try it. Okay, so let's see, I have 2 more things. Okay, so the next one is from Bare Minerals, which I'm like 98% sure this is cruelty free. It is the Nude Lip Lacquer in the shade Everything. Ooh, pretty. So it just has a little tube like this. It's got a doe foot applicator. It does feel a tad sticky just looking at it coming out of the tube. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh yeah, super sticky. So it's like a gloss, which I'm just not into. I feel like maybe because I'm a little bit older, I was alive like when lip gloss was all the rage. I'm just not into it. I'm past that. I like a nice cream lipstick or a matte liquid lip, but here's what the color is. It's just a very nice nude color. I probably will wear this just because I've already swatched it, but in general, I'm not a fan of gloss. I just don't like the way it feels. If y'all were alive in the 90s and early 2000s, you would understand. Okay, one more thing. Okay, so the last thing is a fresh rose face mask. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if this is cruelty free. It's a toning and hydrating gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and suppleness. Okay, get it out of the dang packaging. That would be great. Okay. I hope it doesn't smell like roses. It probably will. I'm just not into roses. Okay, so it does smell a little bit florally, but it's not like too overpowering that I can't wear it. It's not, I mean, it's a mask, so I can wear it and then wash my face and then I'm done smelling like a flower. It's real goopy. Well, I don't know how to describe this. It feels like a serum, I guess is what I would say. It smells like roses, like I said. It says apply a quarter-size amount to cleanse skin and leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse. So yeah, if this is cruelty-free, I definitely will try it out. I mean, I can get over the scent of something. But it is a pretty decent sample size, so I know that doesn't look very big, but it's pretty decent. Okay, so yeah. So let's kind of go over everything. I got the Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum, which I'm not going to use. Pretty good sample size, though. I got the Clinique eyeshadow, which I'm not going to use. Also very good sample size, if not full size. Very good. I got the Tarte. Where are you? Where are you, little Tarte? Oh, the primer. It's probably not a ton in there, but I'm still really, really excited. I've been wanting to try this, so I'm pumped to try that. And that's cruelty-free. That's cruelty-free, so I can use it. Then we got the bonus item, which is the perfume, which I'm not going to use. The rose face mask, which is, if it is cruelty-free, I will use. And then the Bare Minerals lip gloss in everything. So yeah, overall, I mean, probably not my favorite box. I only got technically 2 makeup items, which I prefer a more makeup heavy box. And then I guess, is primer considered makeup to me? It's not makeup. I can't see it, it's not makeup. Does that make sense to anyone else? That's how I feel. 2 skincares and then the perfume. So not mad about it, not super pumped about it either, but what can you do? So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, you want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to watch more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. It means so much to me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good day.